Hi, my name is Agnes. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to try the brand new L'Oreal Paris Elvive Collagen and Lifter range. Now, I'm sure you already searched for the best volumizing shampoo, wondered how to add volume to roots, or try to find the best hair routine for volume. You've probably already seen this collection. This range has been created for people with fine or flat hair. I actually do have thick hair, bleached thick hair. So my biggest struggle isn't the amount of hair I have, it's getting lift at the roots without making my hair feel heavy and dry at the ends. So today I'm going to test the full range, showing you exactly how to use each product and give you my honest first impression. I know everyone's hair is different, so this is simply my own experience, but hopefully it will help you decide if this product is for you. So let's get started. Before we get started, I always like to show my hair exactly as it is. As you can see, my roots sit quite flat because my hair is naturally heavy. My length has been bleached over the years, so although I have a lot of hair, I also struggle with dryness and frizz. Those are the things I'll be paying attention to throughout today's review. So what does this range actually do for your hair? Before we jump into using the products, I wanted to explain what makes this range different. So the L'Oreal Paris Elvive Collagen and Lifter range has been created to help give the appearance of a fuller looking hair while keeping it feeling lightweight. The key ingredient is collagen peptides, which help support the hair fiber and designed to make your hair look more lifted and feel stronger without weighing it down. Because my hair is naturally thick and heavy, my roots can become flat really quickly. That's why I'm hoping this routine will help improve that. The L'Oreal Paris Elvive Collagen and Lifter Volumizing Shampoo is formulated with collagen peptides, which help support the hair fiber to create the appearance of fuller looking hair. It also contains glycerin to help attract moisture, while gentle cleansing ingredients like sodium lauryl sulfate and cocamidopropyl betaine remove oil and product buildup without weighing the hair down. The L'Oreal Paris Elvive Collagen and Lifter Fibre Densifying Conditioner also contains collagen peptides to help create the appearance of fuller looking hair, along with glycerin to keep the hair hydrated. It also includes nourishing oils like soybean oil and sunflower seed oil to help leave the hair soft, smooth and easier to manage. The L'Oreal Paris Elvive Big Hair Day Refreshing Volume Spray combines collagen peptides with rice starch, which helps absorb excess oil while adding texture and lift at the roots. It also contains cellulose to provide lightweight hold, helping the hair maintain volume while still feeling natural. Now that we had a closer look at the ingredients, it's time to put the range to the test. I always start by thoroughly wetting my hair before applying the volumizing shampoo. I massage it into my scalp using my fingertips to create a rich lather, then rinse it out completely. I personally like to shampoo twice, as the first cleanse removes product buildup and excess oil, while the second gives my scalp a really fresh, clean feeling. Next, I apply the Fibre Densifying Conditioner through my mid-length and ends, avoiding my roots to help maintain as much volume as possible. I leave it on for around 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. After washing and blow dry and style my hair as normally would. Once my hair is completely dry, I finish with the Big Hair Day spray, applying it directly to my roots wherever I want a little extra lift and volume. I gently massage the products in with my fingertips, and it instantly refreshes my roots without making my hair feel sticky or stiff. It's such an easy final step wherever I want to boost volume, whether it is straight after styling or to freshen up my hair on the following day. Right. So this is how I use this spray. And what do we see? So the first thing I can definitely see is more lift around my root. As you can see, there's definitely a lot more lift around, especially in the front here. And even though my hair is naturally thick, it usually falls quite flat because of the weight. So I am really happy to see a bit more body after styling my hair. And it still feels soft, which I really like, because some volumizing products can leave my hair feeling really, really dry, really crisp and dry. So my lengths still have a little bit of a frizz, but that's something I expect, and it's not because of the products, it's just because of the bleach. So that's nothing to do with the products itself. I am overall very happy with the results. I cannot complain at all. My hair feels really nice. It doesn't feel dry. It smells incredible, and I'm not joking, it smells incredible. So yes. So I wonder if, I'm sure you have some questions. We all do have questions when we are trying new things or seeing new things coming out. So do you have to use the full range? No, but to get the best outcome, I probably would recommend to use the whole range, or especially when you're trying it out at first, just use the whole range so you get the full benefits. And then, but then later on you can just use them individually, or you just use the spray on its own, so you don't have to keep using the same shampoo, same conditioner. You can just use the spray on its own if that's what you prefer. And do you need to shampoo twice? No, you don't have to shampoo twice. I personally like to shampoo twice because I use a lot of products throughout the week, and I have a lot of build-up on my scalp and on my hair. So to feel like I'm actually having it clean, I prefer to wash my hair twice. So, but that's absolutely up to you. You don't have to. So, and your first question probably is, can you use the big hairspray on its own? Yes, I think it would be a really nice product to use in between washes, just to refresh your hair, keep some volume, keep some bounce, have a nice scent, and it literally takes you 3 seconds and you get good up to 48 hours of lovely hair. So why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you? Would I recommend the new L'Oréal Paris Elvive Collagen and Lifter range? Honestly, I am pleasantly surprised. I really enjoyed how lightweight the products felt, the lift around my roots, and how soft my hair feels after styling. My favourite product has to be the big hair day spray, because it's quick to use and actually gave me some volume from root to tip. If you are looking for the best shampoo for flat hair, trying to create a best hair routine for volume, or simply just want to add some more body to your hair without spending a fortune, I think this range is worth a try. As always, these are my honest thoughts based on my own hair type and my own experience. So if you've already tried this range, I'd love to know what your thoughts on this. So please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy honest beauty and hair care reviews, don't forget to subscribe, because I have loads more to come. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.